Predominantly, we are an EMC test house, which means electromagnetic compatibility. That essentially means electrical interference. So we are subjecting vehicles and automotive components to electromagnetic fields. And the intention is that we would make sure that we can send their products and their vehicles to market. We do automotive testing. We do full vehicle testing for EMC. And we do commercial testing as well. So any product that you can plug into the wall, we can do EMC testing on that. Recently, we've invested in environmental testing, which means we can test very large batteries, vibration and climatic testing. We also do salt spray, altitude testing, and some other forms of thermal type testing. EMC testing is the ability to induce RF or measure emissions or emitting from any product or vehicle. So essentially, any electrical component will have an EMC profile, and it will emit RF to the point where it could interfere with another piece of electronics or equipment. As an example, cell phone towers, power grids, power stations, they all emit large amounts of radiated emissions, and what that does, it produces signals that can interfere with other systems. And EMC testing allows us to capture that and make sure that we are keeping within the limits and the requirements for either regulation or corporate. As the world develops, especially with automotive, it's been growing so rapidly over the last 5 to 10 years. EV vehicles and becoming more green seems to be the focus for most businesses. From our side, we are led by the vehicle manufacturers. So if they decide that they want to become more green and reduce emissions, then we will follow that, in the sense that we'll adapt our test methods and our ways of working so that we can perform testing on their vehicles or their products. For example, as EV vehicles have developed, we've developed in-house plug-in testing for EMC. We've also built a large battery shaker for electric vehicle batteries so that we can perform testing on those batteries. We've also built an electronic drive unit dyno so that we can test electronic drive units. So as the industry develops, we're trying to keep up with that at rapid pace, and we are innovating in the sense that we are keeping up with their trends. At the moment, we've got lots of interest around autonomous vehicles, where customers are asking for us to be able to perform testing to meet some of the autonomous features of the vehicle. So we are looking at ways that we can perform testing in a chamber like this, where we can actually test vehicles with different types of features and things like blind spot monitoring, advanced braking, all the new features that these new vehicles are having. We are continuously being asked to provide testing that can perform.